If you've heard of Microsoft Copilot and are interested in giving it a try, but don't know where you can find it, it's in the Microsoft Edge app or browser. So if I go to Microsoft Edge here at the bottom of my iPad, it's going to open up, and I have a little symbol in the top right-hand corner, and that's the symbol for Copilot. So whatever page you're on, if you're in that Edge browser or app, you will see that, and you can just pop it out wherever you are. A neat thing about Copilot is that you can also ask it to summarize anything that's on a website for you. So for example, here I could say, summarize this page about penguins, create 10 trivia questions for me about penguins. It would do that, and then I could even say, switch this into French or Spanish and give me results in those languages. You can also ask Copilot to create an image for you. If you're using an image from Copilot, it's always a good idea to cite it if you're using it somewhere else. You could even just say obtained from Copilot, or you can look into that in a little bit more detail, but it's good to give credit to that. Also good to check with bias. So for example, if I were to ask Copilot to create an image of a librarian, I might get consistently similar images. So I'd have to then think to myself, is this demonstrating bias that's in that data set that it's drawing from? You can also go directly to the Copilot app. So if I open this one up right here, I can select the microphone button and I can actually talk to it in a way that's very conversation-based. I could upload a camera image or a photograph or a file and ask Copilot to do something with that. So for example, I could put a text message screenshot in there and I can say, give me ideas for how I can reply to this. Or an email screenshot and just say, give me ideas on how I might be able to politely respond to this in a professional way. I would just always make sure that there's no private information in there. But it's a really good tool for brainstorming, kind of helping you out with situations that would ordinarily take you a little bit longer, speeds up some of that administrative task stuff that you might face during the day. Another thing that's just kind of fun when you get home from work, you can tell it what you have in your fridge and ask it to make a recipe to use up certain ingredients. There's lots you can do with it for work or for fun.